Spiritual baths are one of the most useful tools that anyone can make fairly easily and generally with just a handful of items. They can be employed for a wide range of things. Everything from spiritual cleansing to attraction work can be achieved with the right spiritual bath, accompanied with heartfelt prayers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one bath that I like to use every so often as part of a larger cleansing routine. I even like to make extra to keep on hand as a floor wash. This is what is known as the blue bath. While there are far simpler ways to throw this bath together quickly, the way that I like to make mine is a bit more involved and it'll require a few extra things. In order to make this spiritual bath, you're going to need a large enamel basin or mixing bowl, fresh water, bluing powder or bluing liquid, some cascarilla, a very tiny amount of cocoa butter or shea butter, conjure water or any other spiritual cologne that you prefer, a few herbs. These include agrimony, hyssop, and lemongrass, and a blue candle. I like to start most of my work with a simple bit of candlelight to signify the start of the process. Now, you don't have to do this, it's just a personal quirk more than anything, but I do think it kind of sets the tone. Make a cross over the bowl with the water and pour it in. Do the same with a second jar of water if needed. Now just break off a small piece of your bluing powder and swirl it in the bowl until it dissolves. Grab your cocoa or shea butter and pour a small bit of it into your hand. You seriously only need a very tiny amount of either one of these. Now it's time to add the cascarilla. When you buy this stuff, it usually comes in these little paper souffle cups. You can use about half of the chunk that's in that cup, just break it up really well. And then get everything mixed in. Take your spiritual cologne and you're going to make a cross with it as you pour. I'm using conjure water here, as Lang Lang is said to attract positive spirits, but you can use any spiritual cologne that you prefer, or even a combination of a few of them. Make a cross over the bowl and add more water if you need to. Grab the blue candle, hold it over your bowl, and dust it with some cascarilla powder from top to bottom. As you do this, you'll pray Psalm 91, verse 4. Add a pinch of lemongrass to the candle, a pinch of agrimony, and a pinch of hyssop. Touch the candle to all four sides of your bowl 3 times, making an equal armed cross over your mixture each time. Then move the candle clockwise around the bowl and set it in the center. Use a match to light your candle. Now drag your hands through the water toward you 3 times while praying Psalm 26, verse 6. I wash my hands in innocence and go about your altar, Lord. Tap the bowl and pray quietly from the heart. Blow tobacco smoke all around your candle. At this point, you just let the bath sit on your altar or on your working table for a bit to sort of let the energies that you've stirred up settle into the work. The amount that we've made in this video is roughly enough to get a 3-day bath plus a jar of blue water to use for creating a spiritual floor wash that you can use over the next month or 2 every time you clean your home. Of course, you can make more or less of this bath by simply reducing or adding all ingredients incrementally. Okay, let's get this wrapped up. Stand in front of the bowl and either ring a bell or shake a rattle as you call and invite your ancestors and all of the helpful spirits who walk with you to bless, empower, and seal this work. Let the candle burn for a little while longer and then put it out. When you're ready to use the bath, you simply pour about half a cup of the mix or so into your bath water. Sit the candle near the bathtub in a way in which when you step out of the bathtub, you'll have to step past the candle. Light the candle and then step into the tub. Allow yourself to just soak and relax for a little while. Don't play on your phone or think about what you need to buy at the grocery store. Just sink into your bathtub. Allow yourself a moment to be free of any particular thought, and then begin to move the water down your body from the neck down to your toes as you pray that all stagnant and negative energies, obsessive spirits, and witchcraft that's been put on you be removed. Soak for a bit, and when you get out, step past the candle and allow yourself to air dry. Put out the candle and then repeat for the following 2 days. Once done, you can simply place your candle somewhere in the middle of your home and burn it as you see fit. I generally like to light it in the morning after the last night of my bath and let it burn itself all the way out from there. As always, I hope this was helpful, and if you did enjoy it, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the little bell icon to get notified of my future video uploads. If you need to book a reading or spiritual work with me, please reach out to me at one of the links in the description. See you soon.